Well, let me see which side of my audience are good in GK. Audience in my left hand side. What is special about, not about, what is so special about 2nd October?
And these which were two great leaders of our state.
You're close. But I'm expecting something. Who in particular? Who are those two?
Lal Bahadur Shastri and Mahatma Gandhi.
Fact. And now to the audience in my right hand side. What is so special about 2nd October 2014?
Comes once in a
Okay, let me help you. It is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We forgot that. Clean India campaign, which was officially launched by our Indian government. It is estimated like 62,000 crores is being planned to spend just to accomplish the goal of Clean India by 2019. 2014 is over and we forgot what is that 2nd October 2014. Now, let me take you to a place where it was affected heavily by the storm called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This is the place soon after Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and this is the recent one. We claim that we are educated, we are brilliant, but still, what are we doing? Also, we are not ready to learn from our mistakes. By the same time, we are not focused, we are not concentrating on the smaller mistakes that we do. For instance, even to close the pothole in our electronic city ring road, our authorities need 37 people to be killed. If they have constructed a road or if they closed the pothole when it was small, they could have avoided it growing big and it would have saved many lives. Now they are constructing the road, but they didn't construct it before. Why? Because the pothole was small and the authorities considered it as a little careless, small mistake. But they forget the fact that small mistake is the root cause for the biggest mistakes. Let me prove it. If I throw a wrapper in a road, it may be considered as a small mistake. But following me, if you do the same, it is considered as a little big mistake. But if you do the same every time, and it becomes the biggest mistake. Central Pollution Control Board recently said to the Supreme Court that 56 lakhs tons of plastic waste are generated every year. Among them, 60% is collected and recycled properly. Rest 40% is a big question mark. It's been littered in the streets. How we are spending our waste management budget? Most city corporations spending their waste management budget 70 to 75% just for sweeping. 25 to 30% just for collecting that. And just 0 to 5% for just disposing it. Central Public Health and Environmental Engineering Organization has estimated that every Indian is generating 1.3 pounds of waste every day. Whereas it is in case of US, it is just 4.6 pounds. Maybe we can say that we can be proud of the fact that we are very less in generating waste. But the fact is, we are 1.3 billion in population. And they are just 307 million. 4 times we are bigger than them in production. I mean, waste production. And also, we have got some responsibility how to fix it. We cannot stop our production, waste production, but we can do something that can bring great changes. What is our responsibility? Reduce it or reuse it. We cannot stop producing waste 100%, but we can think twice before we waste something that it can be reused somewhere. Try to keep it if possible. Maybe we cannot find dustbin everywhere possible, But at the same time, before throwing it in the road, we can just think twice whether it can be kept in our pocket or somewhere and can be thrown in the dustbin when it is available. Plan it. I agree, maybe we cannot stop avoiding getting carry bags in shops. But at the same time, if we plan it at once, we can take a carry bag from home and reuse it. Maybe we cannot stop getting tissue papers in restaurants and in restrooms. But at the same time, we should not forget the fact that we are used to having hankies. Our India is already rich in corruption and poor in cleanliness. But for a nation to be developed, it should be actually rich in cleanliness and in poor in corruption. Like how small mistakes are the root cause for the biggest things, our small change definitely can bring a big change. Think twice before you throw it. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Deepak. It certainly was an eye-opener, and I'm sure you put in a lot of research for this speech. So let's have another prepared speech here today. We have evaluators for that particular speech. It's a P4, Project 4, and evaluating the Project 4 would be Toastmaster